Hi everyone, it's Lisa Goldfaden, co-founder of Goldfaden MD, and I have invaded my sister-in-law Lauren's kitchen today to share with you one of my favorite smoothies. I love to start the day out with a smoothie because it really gives me the energy I need to get through a busy work day. Now, what's so incredible when I'm lucky enough to be in her kitchen in Southern California is that she has this beautiful produce that she orders from Imperfect Produce. Imperfect Produce is a sustainable delivery of fruits and vegetables directly to your door. And as you can see, there's just some incredible options. We've got kale, blueberries, raspberries, dates. There's these gorgeous organic apples, avocado, and one of my favorite ingredients to use in my smoothies is apricot. I love incorporating apricots into my smoothies because they have really high levels of vitamin C, which is really important for internal health and to give you an overall glow. Another interesting tidbit is that apricot is also used in our Bright Eyes eye treatment. So this is delivering vitamin C and vitamin E to the surface of the eye area, which is going to give you that Goldfaden glow. So let's make a smoothie. The first thing I like to add is almond milk. I take half a cup, just pour it into the blender. I take a handful of blueberries, which are loaded with antioxidants and are obviously delicious. I'm gonna take 2 handfuls today. Half of an avocado, so this is gonna deliver healthy omega fats. This is gonna help your digestion, and this is also gonna help your skin. Half of an organic apple. 2 tablespoons of matcha. I love that. A handful of raspberries. Again, antioxidants, tons of vitamin C. The trusty apricot. I'm gonna put in 2 dates today just to give it a little bit of sweetness. And then I'm gonna top it off with a handful of organic kale. And this is obviously going to deliver all of those vitamins and nutrients inside of our digestion and into our stomachs, and it's really just gonna help me have that beautiful glow all day long. Put this on and hit smoothie. So I like to top this off with a little bit of bee pollen, which is delicious and so good for you. And then before I drink my smoothie, I like to take Flatter Me by Hum Nutrition. This is really wonderful enzyme to take before you eat. It may not look pretty, but I promise you it is delicious.